You would park there. It's the road coming up. That's really your only outdoor space. And then we're in through the front door. Dining, living. Here is the kitchen. Has everything. Gas stove, fully furnished. Coffee pot, microwave. Pots, pans, knives, forks. Everything you need. Here is your porch. Not the greatest day, but you can see the ocean. The landlord's son lives next door here. That's his garden. And then there is an apartment below you here, and someone lives here. That is the road that comes up. That's Frith Estate Road. And then over there is where you park. All right, we're back in to the living room. Here is your principal bedroom. And kind of a side chamber. Big closets there. These guys have 3 kids, so they're using all the beds. This is just a pull-out couch. You can see the water from this bedroom. Big wardrobe there. Into the principal bathroom. Twin vanities. Big shower. And then back into living, dining, kitchen. Here's this perspective. And then we're in here into the guest bedroom and guest bathroom. Again, another shower. And your washer dryer. And then back to the living room.